Start off with this really light base shade over here. Is a tad powdery, not much, a little bit of fallout, like it's a bit powdery. When I tap into it, creates a little bit of excess powder, but that's fine. I don't really know what I'm going for, to be quite honest. I just want to do like a cute little look. I'm leaning very into this transition shade over here, so let's do that. That's a really nice transition shade, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful. Like, it doesn't really pick up on camera, but oh, that's lovely. Love that. Just pack that onto the lid. Look at that. I love that. That's beautiful. Just fluff that out a bit. Then next up, I'll go in with this shade just to darken up my crease line a bit. Like, there are so many ways this look can go. Like, I just feel like I want to add a pop of this beautiful shade in the inner corner, just to like pop it, or I can deepen the look up and make it a bit more of a maroon purpley type of, like, there's so many ways I can go about this. Like, I don't know, what would you do? Like as soon as you go in with these two, there's so many routes you can go. But I think I'm going with the shade. I wanna test it out. Let's see. I cut my crease slightly. I'm going to this in with this brush, with this beautiful, I don't know what the shade this is, like a light lilac type of shade. But my brush is a little bit dirty, so I'm going in with this Spoiled Tique quick switch brush, like cleaner. So all you do is, when you want to switch colors, you just take this thing, you rub your brush onto it, and then you're good to go into your next shade. So love that. So I'm just gonna, great, now I can't use that brush. So anyway, let me look for another one. I don't have another condensed brush like that. All of my brushes need a wash. So I'm just going in with this little flat brush into this shade over here, and I'm just packing it on. And then tapping off the excess and placing it in my inner corner. I don't know, it's not as pigmented. But that is quite nice. Yeah, it's more of a like lilac, purpley type of shade. That's really pretty. I like that. It's something different. I want to explore more makeup looks. Then I'll be tapping into this shimmer just a little bit in the middle of my lid. Love. Topping this off with a white kohl eyeliner to really open up my eyes even more.
High heels on my tippies. Dough, say things up, I